Yesterday we had some good news and some bad news. So in reference to our sheep, one of my sheep gave birth to twins yesterday morning, and they're doing fine, but the mother sheep has rejected them. So we are working to figure out, I don't know why she's rejecting them, but they're the cutest things, and we have to step in and make sure they're fed so they can grow. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Natasha. I work to be self-sufficient, grow my own food, and live off the land. And I raise sheep here on my farm. And my mommy sheep, well, let's see. Most of them went to pasture this morning. So we're just going to check on the baby lamb and see if the mother is still rejecting them. But we had to step in yesterday. Your sheep can't be without some type of milk within a couple hours of birth. So yeah, let's take a look here. So the others are out to pasture, and oh, and here, well, I'm going to show you here. These are the twins. She rejected them yesterday, so maybe she's letting them get milk today. So let's take a look. Hey, Blanca. Blanca, my goat, is in with them. Here are the twins. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Hey there. Come. Okay, mommy. I'm getting away. So, let's see if they get some milk here. They're looking, and she's staying still, so that's a good sign. But yesterday, all day, she left the pen. We tried to rope her and have her stay, and she just fought it. So I don't know if she was scared or she wasn't quite yet bonding with them yet, but this morning is a lot better. So, but we did feed them throughout the day yesterday to make sure they were strong, and now it looks like she's letting them. But so fortunate to have twins. Love that. I'm told though that she doesn't have a lot of milk, so we probably might need to supplement some. And yesterday we did the goat milk for them, since we have goats here now. So we'll be checking on them every couple of hours. Hi, sweetie. Look at you. I'm not your mommy, but I don't have the milk. But yeah, look at you. Look at you. Huh? Look at you. So I'm going to step away because they need to bond. And I'm leaving mommy. And hopefully she continues to give them milk and not run away. But we will be, we check them every few hours, making sure that we did give Mom a little supplement as well, a vitamin supplement, to get her a little bit stronger as well. So, yeah. So, actually, it's a good day. Yesterday, I wasn't so sure, but today, so far, it looks great. Hope you guys are having a great day.